Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Unplug the MagSafe or USB-C charger and set it on a flat, well-lit surface. First, isolate the exact damage. Look for frays, exposed conductors, or a kink near the connector. Once you see the damaged zone, trim back any split insulation about 1/2 to 1 inch until solid wire remains. Make sure to note wire color order. You'll rejoin corresponding conductors. Use a marker to label pairs so you don't mix them later. Once stripped and labeled, twist each matching conductor tightly so connections stay stable. You should solder every joint for conductivity. Heat the wire and apply solder to make a smooth fillet, not a blob. If you prefer mechanical joins, use properly sized crimp connectors and test pull strength. After joints cool, coat with liquid electrical tape for insulation, then slide heat shrink over the entire repair. Heat evenly so shrink conforms and creates a rigid strain relief. Final steps: build mechanical strength, use 2 layers of heat shrink, one small at the joint and a larger one covering the cable, then an outer spiral or fabric sleeve for bend protection. Once cooled, use a multimeter to confirm continuity and correct polarity, then plug in and boot your MacBook for a short test. If voltage is absent or intermittent, do not continue using it. Unplug, re-inspect solder joints and continuity on each conductor, and replace the cable if any wire shows resistance or break.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.